Good evening, children. Welcome to Guru Institute. Today we are going to see the problems related to the curved surfaces of reflection, that is mirror formula and magnification. Here we are taking one example. What is that? See here. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance of 10 centimeter, whose focal length is 6 centimeter. Then find the nature of the image is formed, and also given that object height is 5 centimeter. So in this one, first we have to write the data, given data. In any mathematics, what we have to write first? Given data. So what is the given data? It's a which mirror? Concave mirror. So let's see. At a distance of 10 centimeter, object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter, which is given. It is a object distance, that is u. That is how much? 10 centimeter. Right. Whose focal length is 6 centimeter. Focal length means what? F, that is 6 centimeter. Whenever you are knowing the focal length, automatically you have to take the radius of curvature also. R is equal to 2F. So 2F means 2 into 6. 2 6 ja 12 centimeter. So next. Then find the nature of image is found if the object height is 5 centimeter. Object height is how much? H0 is equals to 5 centimeter. So you have to draw one rough diagram for this one. Which one? Concave mirror. So here object is placed. So from the data, what do you get? Pole. This is focal. So then, where is the object is placed? At the 10 centimeter. Focal length is how much? 6 centimeter. And C is formed at where? C is formed at 12 centimeter. C is formed at 12 centimeter. So why I am taking radius of curvature means in order to get the where the C is presented. So focal length is 6, radius of curvature is 12. Where the image is from, where the object is placed 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means F is at 6 centimeter and C is at 12 centimeter. Okay, right? Then where would be the object? 10 means that is between F and C. Between F and C, this is the object. So from this one, what we conclude? The object is placed in between the F and C. So whenever object is placed in between F and C, where would be the image is formed according to our knowledge? Beyond C. Beyond C. And it should be inverted. It is look like this. Yes. So where will you get? It is like this. Already according to our knowledge, image is formed beyond C. So and automatically we know that the image size is enlarged and it is inverted and it is a real. From this one we know the answer. By using the data, if you draw the picture like this, F is 6 centimeter, R is 12, 10 means that is between F and C. So that is between F and C means always image is formed after C, that means beyond C. Whenever image is formed beyond C, the size is enlarged one and from the ray diagrams. Okay, so then it is inverted and real. But you want the answer, image nature is already be done. Position beyond C. Next it is inverted, so real and enlarged, it is over. But we want the, what is the image distance also and object height is given, so image height also we want to get. So we have to get from that one, from the mirror formula. Nature we are getting the, so simply by picture, if you write the mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Already I told you, whenever, so where it like, it is like, look like this. Right? So whenever mirror formula you are using, this is the mirror formula. Wherever you are using the mirror formula or any application for unknown term. So from this one, what we can turn? V is how much and HI is how much. That is we have to find. Alright. HI we are getting from the magnification. Okay. V we are getting from the mirror formula. So for unknown terms, you need not apply the sign convention. Remaining one you have to apply the sign convention. What do you get in the sign convention? In the concave mirror, all are negative. All are negative. See here. So from the ray direction, from the pole only we have to measure PF, PC. All are measured like that only. Above the principal axis that is positive. So image height is, object height is positive. Below the principal axis HI. HI we are getting the negative. And always what is that? V, PI. That is opposite to the direction, that is also negative. PO, that is object distance, that is also negative. So all are negative. U should be negative, F should be negative, and R also PC. R should be also negative. Okay, right? So in the concave mirror, already we seen the sign convention in the last video, all are negative. Why? Because these are direction from this one, from here to there. But PF here, PO here, PC here, PI here, all are opposite direction. So you have to apply the negative sign for that one. So let's start the answer. So 1 by F. 1 by, what is f? Minus 6. Already I told you, whenever applying the formula, you have to apply the sign convention. That is equals to 1 by u. U is how much? Minus 10. Plus should be plus only. 1 by v. For v, we are getting negative, but this is unknown term now here. So that's why you need not to apply the term. So simply come into this one. Taking this into numerator. Wherever in the denominator negative is there, that is coming into the numerator. So minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by v. After this, what do you get? Keep the 1 by v here only and move this 1 by 10 to here. What will get? Minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 10 becomes, coming to the left side, what will happen? Plus 1 by 10. So take the LCM. 6 and 10. LCM is how much? 60. 6 into 10. Then simply multiply, cross multiplication. 10 1 ja 10. Plus should be plus. 6 1 ja 6. Okay, 1 by v. Minus 10 plus 6. How much? Minus 4 by 60. Minus 4 by 60. If you cancel this one, what will you get? 4 1 ja 4 15 ja. So what is the final answer we are getting? 1 by v is equal minus 1 by 15. But what do you want? You want 1 by v or v? We want v, right? Simply you have to reciprocate it one. Numerator by denominator, denominator by numerator. Or simply cross multiplication. What is that? 1 into 15. 15. V into 1 minus v. So what do you get here? Just do this cross multiplication. V 1 ja v minus v is equal to 15 1 ja 15. So simply what you get? V is equal, this minus going to there, minus 15 centimeter. So you are getting the answer minus v. If you get the negative only, your answer is correct. Why? Because in the sign convention this is a negative. So we are getting the minus. 15 means what? 15 means what? C is planted at the 12 centimeter. C is planted at the 12 centimeter. We are getting 15. 15 means beyond C only, na? So your answer is correct. If you get below 10, your answer is wrong. That is the checking method. We have to see the magnification in order to find the, what is that? Image height. So magnification formula is what is that? Hi by h naught, that is equals to minus v by u. Okay, right? So just simply substitute the values. Hi, we don't know that. You can take hi only. So h naught, what is the h naught here? Plus 5. You can take the plus 5 here. Okay, right? That is equals to, minus is in the formula. So you can write as it is minus. For v, what do you get here? Minus 15. So u, what do you get here? Minus 10. Okay, right. So next, automatically what happened? Minus get cancel. Then what we will get? Hi by 5, that is equals to minus into 15 minus 15 by 10. Take this 5 to the right side. What will happen? Hi is equals to minus 15 by 10 into 5. So then what will you get? 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So what is the final answer? We are getting minus 15 by 2. Minus 15 by 2, how much? 15 off. What is that? 7.5. So the answer is 7.5 centimeter. So this minus indicates that is a inverted one. If it is a positive, that is a erected one. So already we have the inverted one. Then what do you get? From the picture, the image size is enlarged. If you get the more size, that means more value for image, your answer is correct. Observe this. Object size is 5 centimeter. You are getting 7.5. It is above or not? So from this one, your answer is correct. Okay, right? So just see here. He has given in this one concave mirror. Okay. Then the total matter, we are writing the concave mirror, image distance given, focal length given. Immediately, if he is given focal length, you have to find the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, you can find the focal length. Then the rough figure for that one. Okay. Then you can know that where would be the image is formed. It is useful for checking our answers are correct or wrong. Whether. So this is the matter. I am writing the mirror formula and substituting the values. Before substituting the values, you have to take the sign convention. So then this is the simplification. Where I am getting 15. So after C is 12 centimeter. This I am getting 15. So it is correct. V is always negative here. So I am getting the negative here. So in the second one, magnification formula, we are using Hi by h naught. Hi by h naught, that is equals to minus V by U. So Hi only, h naught minus is minus only. So we had to apply sign convention for that. For the simplification, I am getting 7.5. So comparing here, this is 5, this is 7.5. My answer is correct. So this is about a concave mirror. Okay, right. Now we are going to see the same data for the convex mirror. How it should be, we have to check it. Okay, are you clear? Just see this one for 2 seconds. Total answer. Okay, right? Now I am arranging this one. Same to same one. If we take the same case for convex mirror, what should happen? We have to see what is the nature, how it would be changed. Same data. The models will be like this only. There is no change, nothing change. Just values will be changed. So in place of concave mirror, we are taking a convex mirror. How about the same case? It should be applied for convex mirror. What should happen? We have to take. As is write down the given data first. Given that, what is the convex mirror? Okay, this is a convex mirror. Right here, your mirror. Convex mirror. So then, object distance, that is 10 centimeter. We have to write the sign convention later. Whose focal length is 6 centimeter. So automatically focal length 6 centimeter, R is equal to 2f. 2f means 6 to 12. As is 12 centimeter. What we have to find? Nature of the image. Then what is the V? And height of the object is given. H0 is how much? 5 centimeter. Then what about the HI? That is the nature. This is the asking question. Okay, right? So now we have to, what do we know that? We have to draw the rough figure for this one. So why? Because it's a concave mirror, right? So here, okay, right. Like this is there. This is the pole. This is the focal. This is the center of curvature. Alright. Focus is where? 6 centimeter. Small f means. Center of curvature is where? 12 centimeter. Object is placed at which position? This is at 10 centimeter position. So 10 centimeters means, again, between F and C, tell me, between F and C, it is possible here, F and C. In case of convex, what happened? Always that is placed in front of the mirror. We are not able to keep in that one, right? All are same. So we are taking the image distance 10. Here object is there. Object is there. What is the distance between object? How much? 10 centimeter. In this one, we need not to know the, what is the nature? What is that? Simply between F and C. There is no cases for F and C like that. Okay. So here, so what is the nature? We already know that wherever the object is there, image is always presented in between P and F only. And that is a erected one. So from this one, what we can conclude that simply in a convex mirror, always the image is diminished one and it is formed between P and F. What we have to find? How much it is diminished. That means what is the height of the image we have to find. What is the distance between P and I we have to find. That's it. Okay. So from this one, you have to apply the sign convention for this one. So what is that one? So first of all, we have to draw the ray diagram here for our convenience purpose. By extending, it will coming like this. Okay. Right. So what is this one? Always incident rays are from right to left. Right to left. So PO. Incident ray is in this direction, PO is opposite direction. So that's why it should be negative. Again, observe this one. Incident rays are from here to here. So, but this is PO is opposite side. So that is negative. Then PF. Incident ray this direction only, PF also this direction only. So it should be positive. PC. That R means PC. This is PC in the this direction. Incident rays also this direction only. Right. Where is that image is found? PI. So your answer PI should be also. If you get answer positive, if you get negative, that should be wrong. And HI, what is that? It is above the principal axis. So that's why it should also you will getting positive. So this is the data. So again, same to same matter. Again, apply the mirror picture, mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Or 1 by V plus 1 by U. Just apply the sign convention formula here. So sign convention and do this one. Already we are applying the sign convention for easy purpose. Just substitute this one. 1 by, what is the F value? Plus 6. 1 by plus 6, that is equals to 1 by U. U is how much? Minus 10. Plus V we don't know, just simply take the asterisk V. So again same, if you have anyone in the denominator, that is coming into the numerator. So what is this? 1 by 6, that is equal, minus should be coming to the numerator. If any minus are coming in the denominator, just take into the numerator for the easy calculation. So then, so next what you are getting here? Simply after this one, so 1 by V, I am taking 1 by V, just observe. Minus 1 by 10 coming to the left side, what will happen? That is plus 1 by 10. 1 by 10, again 1 by V. No need to see do the all LCM, just simply multiply these two. 6 into 10, how much? 60. 10 1 ja 10 plus should be plus 6 1 ja 6. If you do the LCM also it will be easy, but for directly method simplification we are taking the 6 into 1 60, 10 1 ja 10, 6 1 ja 10, 6 1 ja 6, sorry. So 1 by 6 is equal 10 plus 6 how much? 16 by 60. 16 by 60. 10 1 ja 10, 6 1 ja 6, 16 by 60. So simply do the calculation. 4 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, 4 15 ja 60, 15 4 ja 60, 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4, remaining 2 20, 4 5 ja 20. So what do you get? 1 by v is equal 4 by 15. But what we want, not 1 by v, we want v. That means simply 15 by 4. Just do the reciprocal. 1 by v is equal 4 by 15. V by 1 is equal 15 by 4. So simply 15 by 4 is equal, what do you get? Therefore, v is equal 15 by 4, approximately 4 4 ja 16. Or it would like be 4 3 ja 12, remaining 3. Then take a point, 0, 30. 4 7 ja 28, remaining 2, 0, 5, 4 5 ja centimeter. Then observe this one, 3.75. You are getting positive or negative? Positive. So positive means our answer is correct. So 3.75 means, let's check it is correct or not. What is the distance between P and F? P and F distance is that is 6 centimeter. Always in between P and F means you will get the below 6 only answer. You are getting below 6 or not? Your answer is correct. Now we have to see about the size. Size means what is that? Magnification. Again same formula you have to write here. Magnification m is equal hi by h naught. Then that is equal minus v by u. So apply this hi. Where is hi? Same to same. Hi should be hi only. We don't know. H naught is how much? This is H naught. Above the principal axis only na. So above the principal axis means this is a positive. So H naught is equal plus 5. H naught is a plus 5 and that is equals to, in the formula what is there? Minus. You can take the minus and V. V should be what? Positive. What do you get here? V plus 3.75. So plus 3.75 by, what do you get? U, where is the U? U here. So minus 10. Minus 10. So minus into plus, minus only. So it should be cancel. Minus minus cancel. So from this one, what do you get? Hi by 5 is equals to 3.75 by 10. Okay, right. This 5 coming to there. What will happen? Simply hi by hi is equals to 5 coming to here. This is the denominator coming to here. Multiplication. Okay. So 3.75 by 10 into 5. So then simply 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 3.75 by 2. 3.75 by 2. What do you get? Hi is equals to 2 1 ja, 2. Remaining 1. So point should be point. 1 7, 17. 2 8 ja, 16. 16 means again 1, 15. 2 7 ja, 14. Again 1, 2 5 ja. So 1.875 centimeters. So we are getting the image size, this one. So simply image is diminution, we know that. So we have to see the object. Object height is how much? 5 centimeter. So this is a below 5. So you should get the positive. We are getting a positive. So this is the checking method. Are you clear? So same data for convex mirror, this is like this. Simply write the data and draw the rough diagram. If you draw the rough diagram, what is the use of rough diagram? Means maximum use is there. So total matter depends on the rough diagram only. Draw the rough diagram, then you will easily get the sign convention and substitute in these values. If you get according to sign convention, your answer is correct. So from the picture only you can tell that what is that between P and F. So first one, initially you know that below 6, if you get the answer, that is correct. Above 6, that is the wrong. Then you can check cross, okay, where you have done the mistake. So then the height also below 5, if you get, that is the answer correct. Above 5 or equal to 5, the answer is wrong. You have to check it one. So always we are getting below 5, it is correct, and between P and F one, it is correct. So this is about the convex mirror. Okay, just observe the total one. Just 2 seconds. This is about the problems done in a mirror. Okay, children, these are the types of the problems we are getting in our public examination. Concave mirror and convex mirror. We have only 2 types. The basic thing is, first you have to read the question. What is given in the data, you have to write. In this one, he has given object distance and given focal length. From the focal length, I am writing the radius of curvature. Suppose he has given the radius of curvature, you can take F is equal to 1, R by 2. Simply you can take the by 2. That means half value you can take. and the next one is first write the data and what is given. If he has given focal length, find the radius of curvature. If he has given radius of curvature, find the focal length. Focal length is simply half. Okay, right? That means r is equal to f, f is equal to r by 2. Then draw the rough picture, then you can get the some idea, then apply the formula. But one thing, major students make a mistake in the substitution. In the substitution, they directly take the 10, 6 like this. They are not applying the sign convention. It's very important to apply the sign convention. And some students make a mistake in applying sign convention for the unknown facts also. For unknown terms, you need not to apply the sign convention. For known terms only, we have to apply the sign convention. Then do the simplification carefully. Here the simplification is very easy. Just multiply this one directly and multiply above that one. Why? Because in the above always we are having the numerator 1 only. Simply this value right here, this value right here. That's it. So you are getting the answer. Then coming to the magnification, so you are done like this only. This minus, maximum students take that one. This is also minus. In the concave, already minus is there. They have to think that this is minus only. But this minus is in the formula. You have to apply sign convention for individual. Okay, you will get the answer. Check it with the your what is that rough picture. So this is about concave and convex. Only two types are there. Only this type of problems will come for either 2 marks or 1 mark. If you are giving the total one, in some cases you are given for 4 marks also. This is the simple way of solving the problem. Okay, student. Thank you very much. So subscribe to our channel and share to your friends. Okay, if you have any doubts, please post on the comment box.